Students, let us see some of the facts about HCF and LCM. So the first fact is these are the key points that you have to remember and they are very important. So first one is HCF of two co-prime numbers is 1. So if there are two co-prime numbers, now what are co-prime numbers? Those have only 1 as their common factor. Those numbers having 1 as their common factor are co-prime numbers. Okay, now they will always have HCF as 1. Now let us see the example first about this fact. 5 and 11 are co-prime numbers that we all know. Let us see factors of 5, 1 and 5, factors of 11, 1 and 11. So what will be the HCF of these two numbers? See, only the common factor over here is 1 and it is the highest common factor. HCF means highest common factor. So the HCF of these two numbers is 1. You can take any number. If you are taking 4 and 5, their HCF will also be 1 as both the numbers have 1 as their कॉमन फैक्टर. इन को प्राइम नंबर में क्या होता है? 1 ही होता है ना कॉमन फैक्टर. और HCF क्या होगा? इन दो को प्राइम नंबर्स का HCF भी जो होगा, HCF इज हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. जब एक ही कॉमन फैक्टर है तो वो 1 ही होगा. दैट्स वाई 1 is always the common factor of two co-prime numbers. Now what will be the LCM of 5 and 11? Let us find out. So in this way we can find out 5 ones are 5, okay, by the method, and 11 ones are 11. 5 ones are 5 and 11 ones are 11. So the LCM of 5 and 11 is what? 5 into 11, that is 55. So what is the statement over here? LCM of two co-prime numbers is their product. See, the numbers are also 5 and 11 and the LCM is also the product of the टू नंबर्स. ओके, तो यहाँ पे दो co-prime नंबर्स हैं और वही सेम नंबर्स हमने LCM में भी लिए हैं, तो उनका LCM क्या होगा? LCM will be equals to the product of two co-prime numbers, so we can directly write them as a product. ओके, डायरेक्टली co-prime नंबर्स को एज अ प्रोडक्ट आप लिख सकते हैं and it will be the LCM of those numbers. Now let us see the second fact. If two numbers are factors and multiple of each other, if we take any two numbers and if both of the numbers are multiples, if two numbers are factors and multiples of each other, then the smaller number is their HCF. So the smaller number will be the HCF and the bigger number will be the LCM of the two numbers. So let us see the example here. 5 and 20 are two numbers. Now as we know that 5 fours are 20. So we can say that 20 is a multiple of 5 because it comes in the table of 5 and 5 will be the factor of 20. Why? Because 20 can be divided completely by 5. That's why it will be a factor. Okay, now as per this fact, 5 is smaller, so it will be the HCF, and LCM of 5 and 20 is the bigger number, so 20 will be the LCM. Let us check over here. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now if I want to take the HCF, what are the common factors first? 1 is common, then the other common factor is 5. And HCF means highest common factor. So which is the greatest? 5. So HCF is 5. That means this fact is true for HCF. Now let us see for LCM. Now if I want to take out the LCM, then I will use this method. It is an even number, so start with the smallest prime number. 5 will be written as it is. 2 ones are 2 and 2 zeros are 0. Okay, again 10 can be divided by 2, so we will use 2 again. 2 5s are 10. Now we will use 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. So what will be the LCM? LCM will be, see, what will be the LCM? 2 into 2 into 5. That is 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. See, By this method also we got the LCM 20, and as per the fact also we have got the LCM 20. That's why this fact is true. Okay, so remember this fact. Now here is the third fact. It states the product of two numbers is equal to the product of their LCM and HCF. That means if we are taking any two numbers, suppose 12 and 15 are the numbers. So if we will do the product of them, okay, we will multiply them. Product means अगर हम उन दोनों को multiply करेंगे, so उनका product किसके equal होगा? LCM और HCF के प्रोडक्ट के इक्वल होगा, जो भी इनका LCM और HCF आएगा. नाउ 15 into 2 is what? 15 into 2 is 180. Okay, when we will multiply. Now let us see whether the LCM और HCF 180 के इक्वल है या नहीं है. Let us consider this as LHS left hand side and this as RHS. Okay, so we will first see the LCM and HCF of these two numbers. So the HCF will be, see, these are the factors. What is the common factor over here? 3, and 3 is the greatest common factor. So the HCF of 12 and 15 will be 3. Okay, now what will be the LCM of 12 and 15? We can do by this method. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So the LCM is 60. Okay, so we have got the LCM and HCF. Now put it over here. LCM is 60 and HCF is 3. Now 60 into 3 is what? 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18. Okay, 3 6 are 18. See, you can see over here LHS equals to RH, means लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल्स टू राइट हैंड साइड. LHS में भी 15 और 12 को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 180 मिला, और RHS में LCM SCF था इन नंबर्स का, इन्हें मल्टीप्लाई करने पे हमें 180 मिला. सो दिस इज़ द रूल. डायरेक्टली अगर हम दो नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट करते हैं तो उनका जो प्रोडक्ट होगा वो LCM और SCF, उन दोनों नंबर्स के LCM और SCF के बराबर होगा. Now students, look over here. These are the formulas for this fact. LCM into HCF will be equals to product of two numbers. यही statement के form में लिखा है. Now this formula can also be written in this form. Okay. Now if LCM is not given to us and only the product and HCF is given to us, and so we can write this formula in this way. What we have done, just HCF को इस साइड पे शिफ्ट किया है. HCF ये कौन सी साइड है? दिस इज़ द LHS एंड दिस इज़ द RHS. तो जब भी कोई चीज़ यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होगी, अगर वो दूसरी साइड ट्रांसफ़र होती है, सो इट गोज़ इन द डिवीजन. ओके, तो वो डिवीजन फॉर्म में चली जाती है. लाइक यहाँ पे HCF मल्टीप्लिकेशन के फॉर्म में है, मल्टीप्लाइड है इससे, लेकिन वो नेक्स्ट साइड पे जाएगा तो वो डिवीजन डिवाइड होगा. ओके, डिवाइड करेगा, नीचे चला जाता है. ओके, इसी तरीके से इफ़ यू वांट टू कीप द SCF तो LCM ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगा इन द डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, तो LCM किस में चला जाएगा? डिनोमिनेटर में चला जाएगा. सो रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, एंड वन ऑफ द थिंग्स विल बी मिसिंग ओवर हियर एंड टू ऑफ द थिंग्स विल बी गिवन टू यू, एंड यू कैन फाइंड आउट, you can use this formula and find out. Now the fourth one is HCF of given numbers is always the factors of their LCM. तो कोई भी given number होंगे तो उसका जो HCF होगा वो उनके LCM का हमेशा क्या होगा? फैक्टर होगा. Let us see through an example. 15 and 20 are the numbers. Okay, so first let us find out the HCF. What is the HCF? See, only the common number is 5 and it is the greatest, so HCF is 5. Now LCM, we will remove the LCM, so LCM will be the 60. Okay, so LCM is 60 and HCF is 5. Now let us see whether this HCF is factor of 60 or not, factor of LCM or not. So how we can check? We can check it through division. Okay, अगर ये completely divide हो जाता है, that means it is a factor. So 5 ones are 5, okay, and 1, 5 twos are 10. It is completely divisible, so we can say that 5 is a factor of 60. Hence this statement is also true.